Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. As a content creator, it's natural to focus on creating content and growing your audience, but as your income grows, so does your tax responsibilities. So today I'm going to talk to you about I'm going to give you some valuable tax tips and talk to you about some common tax mistakes that content creators often make and how to avoid them. Okay, if you want to learn more about taxes and how they affect your income, make sure you watch my video to the end, okay? Well, actually, I'm sorry. Make sure you watch my video, What is Form Schedule C, okay? But still watch to the end, okay? My name is Tasha, and I'm a tax strategist, business consultant, and investment advocate who helps small business owners and self-employed entrepreneurs to strategize with their taxes, increase your cash flow, and build wealth. So this video is not to be taken as financial advice, okay? Now, if you become a client, then our one-on-one sessions can be considered financial advice, all right? So let's start with mistake number one, not keeping accurate records, okay? So the first mistake that content creators often make is not keeping accurate records of their income and expenses, all right? It's important to keep track of all your finances, not just for tax purposes, but also to help you make informed decisions about your money. Okay, so make sure you have a system in place, such as a spreadsheet or like accounting software, to keep track of all your income and your expenses. Now, most of your earnings will probably be reported to you on a form called 1099-K. All right, and I actually did a video on that, which I'll link to. All right, and you can use online software like Wave Apps, which is free, or FreshBooks, which is a great alternative to QuickBooks. And of course, you can use QuickBooks, all right? But like if you're new, QuickBooks might be like out of your budget, okay? I don't know. All right, mistake number two, not reporting all your income. All right, so that's the second mistake, right? Not reporting on your income, even if it's like a small amount, right? It's important to report it all to the IRS because failing to report all your income can lead to fines and even criminal charges, okay, if they find out that you omitted income. So that's the last thing you want to do, all right? So make sure you keep track of all your income that you receive, including sources, including from like the advertising income, sponsorships, merchandise sales, okay, and other sources, all right? Mistake number three, not taking advantage of deductions. I love these. These are my favorite, all right? Now, that's the third mistake, all right? So as a content creator, I don't know whether you know it or not, but you may be eligible for various deductions that can help reduce your taxable income and therefore wind up by default reducing your tax bill, okay? Deductions can include the cost of like travel, equipment, software, supplies, even part of your home expenses if you're creating content from home like I'm doing, all right? So make sure to do your research and everything like that and make sure you see what deductions can apply to you and are available to you to take advantage of, okay? Now, in my course, How to File Taxes as Self-Employed, I actually have a whole bonus video where I talk all about business tax deductions, so make sure you check out that course. All right, mistake number four, not paying estimated taxes. Now, when you don't pay estimated taxes, first of all, as a self-employed content creator, you are responsible for paying your own taxes, right? There's nobody withholding your taxes like a job. So you have to do this throughout the year, okay? And so you need to pay that quarterly, but also you could pay it monthly. Maybe it's like more affordable. Some people pay it annually, but I don't really advise it because honestly, you kind of leave it in the hands to the IRS to kind of say, well, you should have been paying it quarterly, and then they can turn around and impose a penalty on you, okay? So you just may want to think about all of that when you decide which way you're going to pay it, all right? And here's the fifth mistake, and it's the last one of the final biggest mistakes, but not hiring a tax professional, okay? Honestly, as a content creator, you may not have like a background in taxes, obviously, especially business taxes. So that's why it's a good idea to hire an experienced tax strategist who can help you with your taxes, all right, even with your bookkeeping and calculating and facilitating your tax payments and all things like that, okay? A professional can help make sure that you're following all the tax laws. They can help you avoid mistakes, all right, and ensure that you're taking advantage of all your deductions and everything, okay? So and definitely also helping you with tax planning. And honestly, not enough people are doing tax planning. And when you're beginning to get like in the higher income brackets and things like that and bringing in more money, you really should be doing tax planning. Okay. Now, if you're looking to hire someone, you can reach out to me. I'll have my contact information in the description box. Okay. You can also book me for a consultation. You can apply to become a client, Overall, this is all complicated, right? And confusing, I know, for a lot of you content creators. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it, okay? And so that the algorithm can push it out to other people looking for it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so, okay? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.